Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a simple and creative way to make clothes, scarves, cushions, table covers and many other things look special. Embroidery is all about thread, needles, frocks, colors and beautiful patterns. With a little practice you can create lovely designs with your own hands. So let's explore some beautiful hand embroidery designs. First we have floral embroidery design. Flowers are one of the most popular choices for embroidery. You can make small flowers, large flowers or a combination of different flowers. Roses, daisies, tulips and simple 5-petal flowers can all look beautiful. You can use soft colors like pink, peach, lavender and yellow for a delicate look. For a bright design, try red, orange, blue or purple threads. Next, try leaf and vine embroidery. Green leaves with thin curved vines can create a beautiful natural pattern. You can place them designs around the necklines, sleeves, borders or corners of your fabric. Another lovely idea is floral border embroidery. A small line of flowers along the edges of a dress, dupattas, tablecloths or cushion covers can give a simple item a beautiful finish. You can keep the border narrow for an elegant look or make it wider for a more decorative style. For a modern look, try minimal embroidery. You don't always need a large design. A few small flowers, leaves, hearts, stars or simple lines can look very stylish. Minimal designs are perfect for everyday clothes. Hand embroidery on sleeves is another beautiful idea. You can create flowers, leaves or small geometric patterns along the sleeves, matching embroidery on the neckline and can make the whole outfit look decorative, stylish. Neckline design is also very popular. A beautiful embroidered neckline can completely change the look of a simple shirt. You can use floral patterns, vines, small flowers or traditional motifs around the neck. Another creative idea is embroidered butterflies. Butterflies can add a playful and colorful touch. Use different shades for the wings and add small flowers around them for a pretty garden inspired design. For children's clothes, cute embroidery design are a wonderful choice. You can make little flowers, clouds, rainbows, stars, hearts, animals or cartoons inspired simple shades. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.